oh my god. So I'm really impressed with this hero page. This looks so much better than the original website. Even the animations are added here automatically, which we haven't designed initially. As you can see, our design here is statically that's designed, right? So we haven't added any kind of a prototype or animations of any sort, but the AI has managed to add all these things on their own. Auto slide functionality, so even it even added the auto slide functionality here. YouWare is a new powerful AI tool built for vibe coders, UI designers, and even complete beginners with no coding experience. On the home page, you will find a ton of websites that were already created with this AI tool, and there are some amazing examples. It integrates well with Figma, allowing you to upload your own UI design and transform it into a fully functional and responsive website, even if you haven't optimized your layout for mobile devices. Using YouWare is like playing a video game. You are chatting with an AI expert, pointing at specific parts of your website that you want to tweak, improve, or update, and the result is pretty impressive. There is also one unique feature called Boost, which allows the AI to analyze your whole website and then suggest some improvements related to UX and UI design. Just look at this transformation: the original design versus the AI-enhanced version. The difference is stunning. Okay, so the first step is to connect our Figma to this website. As you can see down below, I have already done it, but anyhow, you're going to also see all those steps described here as well, when you select the Figma, of course. But the main thing about that is that you need to generate the token from a Figma, and you need to paste that token here so that this website will have an access to read your Figma project and create the website from it. Let me just open up the Figma to show you where you can generate that actual token. So once you're on the home page, you can open up the settings right here, and then you can go to the security. So down below you have the personal access token. Right now, as you can see, I have created one personal access token, and you need to generate the new token with all those permissions that you can see right here. So I didn't know exactly what kind of permissions do I need to add here, so I've just specified all those permissions to be read-only, right? And that's it. So after you generate that token, be sure to paste it here when you select this Figma from this MPC tool, and you're good to go. The next step is to actually choose what kind of a project we want to build from Figma to the actual website. So I'm going to search here for one landing page design from a Figma community. For example, maybe this one. Minimal landing page, right? So it looks really nice, and I have already cloned this project right here. Okay, so right now we can see the actual website design, and we're going to turn this actual Figma design project into the real website with the help of an AI, which is really incredible. So as you can see right now, this website does not look perfect, so it has some room for improvement, especially when it comes to spacing between those sections, as you can see. And even then, some of those sections could be, of course, improved. As you can see, I don't think that everything here is spaced correctly. We also have some kind of an issues here with those images, so they are not shown here for some reason. We will see how will the AI handle that as well. So anyhow, now let's just select this whole frame of this landing page. Right click, and then let's see here and search for a copy paste as, and let's click copy link selection. After that, we can go back to this website and just paste this link. That's everything we need to do, right? So now just click this button, and the AI will basically take this whole design project from Figma, and it will slowly start coding it, right? So it will start coding it until it completes the whole landing page by itself. Of course, there will be some issues with this design project because, as you can see, this design actually does not contain some of those images correctly. I don't know. So as you can see, they're not displayed here for some reason, and here as well. But anyhow, we will see how the AI will handle it, right? And of course, the good thing about this AI called the Uware is that it also offers a feature that will allow us to basically let this AI choose how it can improve this overall UX and UI design of the website. So there is this option which is called Boost, and this Boost will basically allow this AI to choose what kind of things it could improve in this design to make it more modern and better overall. You will see about that as well. Anyhow, now we can see all those steps that the AI has taken. So it's now triggering this Figma NCP tool. So it's basically executing multiple tasks to complete this whole website. So, okay, so I have now received here a message saying that the code was edited and adjusted accordingly. It says that I have successfully created a minimal landing page based on the Figma design. So the page header, hero section with the illustration, client showcase, and all those other different sections that this project actually has, as you can see right now. So, okay, so now we can see those actual images right here. So it's practically the same website that we have seen in Figma. Of course, there are some issues here with those images, but we can fix that very easily. So let me show you, for example. As you can see from our design, this main image is not the same as the one that we have seen from the AI, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select this whole image, and I'm going to export this image as a SVG. So SVG right here, it's called illustration. Right now, there we go, and I'm going to choose here this select tool. So the great thing about this select tool is that you can point at a specific element on this page that was generated by this AI, and you can tell the AI specifically about that selected element on the page that needs to be changed. For example, in this case, we are choosing this actual image. So as you can see, we can see this image tag because this element represents the actual image in HTML. And here now I'm going to upload that actual illustration as a SVG, and I'm going to say here replace this image that I have selected with the illustration that I have attached. Now let's click this button and wait until the AI is doing its own thing, right? So even though this design was not perfect, there are a couple of issues with our design, mostly with those actual resources or assets like images, logos, and other stuff. As you can see, this logo is also not correct. But anyhow, as you can see, the issue was fixed really fast. So what we can do also, we can just export all those logo images from this design as well, and we can tell the AI to replace them. So for example, I can just name this logo, for example, logo 1, then a logo 2, logo 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we can now select all those logos, export them as SVGs. So 7 layers. There it is. Let's go back, and now let's choose this select tool. I'm going to select now this whole div. So yeah, div. And I'm going to say here, replace those 7 images with the ones that I am attaching right here. And now I'm going to try to select all those logos. Let's upload all those files and click the button. So yeah, those logos are now uploaded successfully. Let's now click the button and wait until this AI takes all those resources and updates those logo images. So as you can see, it's also informing us about every step that the AI is taking to work with our actual website. So it's really convenient, and this whole UI design or this interface of the YouWare is really clean and simple. So I like that pretty much. Okay, so here it says that I have successfully replaced all 7 client logo placeholders with your uploaded SVG images. And as you can see, now it looks even better. So we can now open up the website and see that the spacing here may be not correct as well. So here, for example, we have a 144 on each and every side horizontally. We can maybe ask the AI to improve that as well. So let's just select this whole section. Maybe let's say this. So add some more spacing horizontally around those logo images. So horizontally. There we go. Now let's click this button. So we are now not specifying the exact values that we want to add for a horizontal padding. We're just saying that the AI should increase that spacing automatically by itself. So we are letting the AI choose what kind of a dimensions or a size we want to have for our spacing here around those logos. Okay, so now I didn't like this actual change. So now I'm gonna say here, revert that back and decrease the spacing between logo images a little bit. By the way, this actual logo next sent is also not correctly specified, which is why I'm gonna export that asset from here as well manually. So let's just select this icon. Yeah, this icon. Let's just here export that as a SVG. All right, here, let's go back. Is this spacing better, or would you like me to adjust it further? Add some padding around the div. Let me just here actually select this whole thing. So add some padding around the div horizontally so that we can have some more space around the div. Okay, so now let's see what this AI will do with that command. Okay, so here now we have received that it's added the padding. Okay, so now, yeah, now it looks a little better. That's okay. The next thing I'm going to now here choose the select tool and choose this actual image or this div. So yeah, this div. Replace the div with the logo image that I have attached. Now let's choose our logo, so this one. It's uploading, click the button, and now this logo should be also replaced with a new version. Okay, so here it says that it has successfully replaced that logo icon. So I have successfully replaced the logo icon with your uploaded SVG image in both the header and footer. So the emoji placeholder has been removed and your custom logo is now being used throughout the site. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so this logo was actually changed in the footer as well. So I'm gonna now say, without the selection tool, for example, could you add the white filter for the footer logo so that it can look better on a dark background. Let's now pass that command, and we want to add, for example, some kind of a filter here to make this logo white and not green, because it might look even better on the dark background, right? So let's now wait a second or two until the page is refreshed. Let's go down below, and there you go. So it even changed the color of our actual SVG file that we have uploaded on our own, which is really amazing, right? So of course, there are a couple of more things that we can change here as well, like those actual icons are not correct as the one that we have specified in our design project down below, as you can see right here. But we can do that manually, icon by icon, and just upload or actually export all those 4 icons and just select this whole div here and say replace those existing icons with the one that we have uploaded. So it's quite easy, right? Now, before we continue, let me just here, yeah, so here we can also replace those icons, so it's not a big deal, right? The next thing, let's also check this actual mobile version of the website to see whether this website is actually fully responsive or not. So right now, the website, as you can see, is pretty much fully responsive, right? So even though we haven't designed this whole project to be responsive, right? So in our Figma project, we have only this desktop version, so we don't have any mobile version of this website to to specify how this website should look like in a mobile version. But if you have the mobile version, then you can also upload that actual mobile version design and just tell the AI to add it as well. But the great thing about it is that it manually basically made our website fully responsive, right? So of course there are a couple of things that we could improve here. For example, down below in the footer we can also center this logo, this text, those icons. We can of course modify some of those icons here as well. But overall it looks really great, okay? And of course this header can also be changed. For example, we can write now here and say something like, let me just here select this whole header. I'm gonna now say here add a hamburger menu icon on the right side so that we can trigger a side panel menu to display all header menu items as well as those two login and sign up buttons. On a mobile version here, hide those buttons and display only the hamburger menu icon. Okay, so let's just execute this command for now and then we can work our way through afterwards. So yeah, on a mobile version we actually don't need those buttons right here. We can just display here some kind of hamburger menu to open up the side panel and show all those actual menu items as well as those buttons when we are on smaller devices, right? Which is a really common case. But basically, I'm really impressed. So this AI managed to make our website fully responsive by itself without anything from our side. So we didn't actually create the mobile version of this website, but the AI actually managed to create the mobile version of this website by itself, which is really amazing. Okay, so now we have this actual menu icon. Let's just see whether this will work correctly. Okay, so now we have the mobile version and the desktop version. Let me just here select that. Okay, so now we can actually, yeah, we can trigger this side menu or side panel and just see all those actual menu items that we already have in our desktop version, which is great. We can just here write some more, like for example, we need to add some kind of a close icon. So add a close icon so that we can manually close the side panel and also change the color of the hamburger menu to black. So with each and every command that we write here to the AI, we're going to receive a really detailed response of the tasks that the AI has actually done. So you can see here it says that it has added the hamburger icon. The icon is now actually animated, so it went the step further to actually animate that icon by itself, and I'm really impressed. So it even added the dark background overlay so that we can see this panel more clearly. It's auto closing, so another option that we didn't actually write specifically, but it managed to add it by itself. I'm really impressed with this. Okay, so now it made some changes. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, so the icon is now changed. We can see this close icon. It looks really nice, and you know, it looks great. But now let's try using this boost option, right? So this boost option will allow the AI to analyze this whole website and see what kind of issues it can fix and improve related to UX and UI design. So let's just click this button. So boost the website, and let's wait until this website is redesigned. As you can see now, it says that the AI is thinking how it can improve this website to look modern and even better. Right now, this is how our website looks like. Okay, so we have received some kind of response. So looking at the screenshot and analyzing the current project, I can see that this is a landing page for a community management platform. Let me analyze what this project is trying to achieve and identify the biggest optimization opportunities. So this is, okay, so project analysis, biggest opportunities, it can see. So the hero section, while clean, lacks a visual hierarchy and emotional appeal. Call to action button could be more prominent and compelling. Statistics sections could be more visually impactful. Overall color schema could be more dynamic while maintaining professionalism. User experience, so the value of proportion could be clearer and more compelling. Social proof could be stronger. The flow from problem to solution to action could be more intuitive. So yeah, I see here a bunch of different enhancements that the AI has suggested, which is really amazing. So it seems like I'm talking to a UI and UX design expert here, and it's basically trying to do it all by itself. So it's first analyzing our website. It's suggesting what kind of improvements it could make to our existing website, and it's finally implementing all of that into our actual website design. I mean, this is really crazy. So I have already tried Google Stitch, and I think that the Google Stitch is not yet this good like this actual AI. So I'm really impressed right here. Anyhow, we are currently waiting for the AI to modify our project. So it's taking around 2 minutes at the moment, because obviously it needs to analyze this whole website and do a bunch of different things. So let's just wait. So I'm excited to see what kind of result we're going to get right now. Okay, so after around 3 minutes, we have received here a message that says project modified. So let's also wait to see when this is going to be finished. Okay, so now we have received the actual feedback of the things that were improved in this actual website. Oh my God! So I'm really impressed with this hero page. This looks so much better than the original website. Even the animations are added here automatically, which we haven't designed initially. As you can see, our design here is statically designed, right? So we haven't added any kind of a prototype or animations of any sort, but the AI has managed to add all these things on their own. What you can do also here, we can just see that it even added the gradient color on this actual text or the main title. As you can see, even the button is here animated, so it's animating slowly, right? We have some kind of subtitle here as well. The buttons are also animated, which is great. Even the hover animations on those menu items is provided. Even the background color of this icon is changed and updated by itself to look better. I mean, this is clearly the better website that we have initially designed or cloned in our Figma, right? So this is the initial project, and this is the project that the AI has actually improved by itself. I mean, all those animations, this looks really stunning. Let's just scroll down below to see what kind of animations we have. Some more. I mean, this is really really great. It even improved this whole section with those numbers, and it looks awesome. We can see also these scrolling animations. Also, the hover animations here work as well. I mean, this is truly amazing. Now, of course, we can modify those icons here, as I already mentioned. But the great thing is that all those things are now animated. I mean, this is I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with this. Let's try and see this mobile version as well. I mean, the mobile version looks great. Okay, so I have noticed that this actual header is half transparent, right? So it's kind of the glossy effect that we can see right here, which is really great. What we can do from here, we can also try, I mean, look how those sections now look like. I mean, they are much better than before. And all these animations were added automatically by the AI. I'm really impressed. Let's publish this website. So we have the button to publish the website. At the moment, I think that there is no way to add a custom domain here, but I've spoken to one of these engineers, and they're actually working on implementing the feature to add the option to add a custom domain. So let's copy this website and just paste it here in our browser to see this actual website in action. as well. Okay. Yeah, it's great. It's really great. I mean, the things that this AI has improved by itself with one click from our side, that's really stunning. There it is. Of course, this website, okay, so it added the animation actually here. Let me just see. Okay, so we have a click animation here, but it didn't add those other different pages for the articles. But that's okay. Let me just see whether we can actually test this and see if the AI can add some more articles here when we click on those three dots to choose more articles. But with the things that I have seen right now, this is awesome. Okay, let's go back now. Open up the desktop version. Scroll down below to those articles. And let's see now whether we can change that. So let's select this whole section. So this whole section, I think. Yeah. And maybe this. Or let me just see. So we cannot select everything, but let me just select here this one. So this div and say, could you implement the logic to show a slide animations to these articles above, so that when we select each one of those circles, we can change different articles. Okay, so this is just my quick prompt to this AI to see whether this is actually possible or not. So I'm thinking we could also add here some kind of an animation to switch those articles when we click on those circles. Okay, so yeah, we even have the hover animations for those menu items. And even our header is now actually fixed on the top. So that's another great improvement by itself. I mean, this section also is has a gradient color to it, which makes our website a lot modern than before. So just compare this website with the one that we have actually had in our Figma design project. So this website is like a baby now, right? So you can see how many things that the AI has actually fixed from this website in around 2 or 3 minutes, right? So in that time, this website has made incredible changes and transformed this website to something different and modern, quite modern than before. Okay, let's go back now. So here we have now some messages from the AI. So it's executing the tasks. So it's modifying the project, editing the code and stuff. Okay, so it's added a couple of more things right here. So interactive slide system to the different sets of articles, smooth CSS transition, active dot highlighting, enhanced user experience. Users can click any dot to jump to that slide. Auto slide functionality. So even it even added the auto slide functionality here. So let me just see down below. Okay, so now those indicators are even better. We can see the hover animation here as well. It's sliding by itself. I mean, the auto sliding feature is also impressive. As you can see, the hover animation has also changed here. Responsive design, so it's also optimized for the mobile usage as well. As you can see, we can manually switch to those articles, which is really great. Let's also check the mobile version. So down below, there it is. On a mobile version, it works really well as well. So isn't it perfect? And that's it. So I wanted to test this tool with you all together. And you have seen in action, I mean, you have seen all the steps that we have taken to work on this project. So initially we have sent this project design, which was not perfect to begin with. And the AI has transformed this website into something beautiful and something that I really like. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you think about this whole process? Are you excited that now you are able to send your actual Figma design project into the AI and transform it into the actual website which is fully responsive, which has some great hover animations, which has some improved modern look, and which is created by the AI itself, without a single line of code from your side. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Drop a like if you find this kind of content helpful. Let me know if you want to see some more videos about me creating the website with this tool in the future. And for this video, that will be all.